Hello students, today we will do exercise of chapter number 1, Introduction of Computer. Open page number 12. First is fill in the blanks. A dash can have 2 or 3 buttons. We will write here mouse. Mouse have 2 or 3 buttons. A dash is a small memory unit in the CPU where the data to be processed is stored. We will write here register. Okay. Third is the dash is called the brain of the computer. CPU. CPU, Central Processing Unit. Performing calculation on the data is called processing. A monitor is also known as a visual display unit. Okay. Next is write true for the true statement and F for the false one. First, data and instruction given to a computer are. Now we will do exercise number B. Write true or false. Data and instructions given to a computer are known as an input. Yes, write true. The output can only be seen on a monitor. False. Output seen on a computer monitor is called the soft copy. Yes, students, when data seen inside the computer, that is called soft copy, and data like printout is called hard copy. A printer is an input device. No, false. You can also save your work in device such as floppy disks, CDs or pen drive. Yes, so you will write here true. Now we will do exercise number C. Choose the correct option. The result displayed on a computer screen is called the soft copy. So take on soft copy. The device which helps you take a printout is the printer. With the help of printer we can take printouts. The dash does all the arithmetic calculation. ALU, arithmetic logical unit. Data entered into a computer is called the input. The result given by a computer after processing the data is called output. Okay, this is the exercise number C. Now we will solve question answers. Give 3 examples of output device. First is like printer, monitor and speaker. Okay, this is the answer number 1. Printer, monitor and speaker. Now name the parts of a CPU. First is ALU, arithmetic logic unit, and CU, control unit, and register. Name the 2 types of memory in a computer. First is primary memory and secondary memory. Okay. differentiate between hardware and software. Hardware refers to those parts of a computer that you can touch or feel. Hardware it refers to those parts that we can touch or feel, and software we cannot touch or feel. Okay. Give the full form of the following. ALU and CU both are the parts of CPU. What is the full form of ALU? Arithmetic Logic Unit, and CU Control Unit. Okay students, this is the question answers of chapter number 1.